Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check review activity on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then right here, tap at your profile picture to open up your profile page. Then hit at menu icon and select settings. On settings, hit at account and then scroll down until you find review activity option. You can get into it and it shows you all the reviews that you have left about some products on Instagram. I don't have any reviews that I have left, but if you did, you would find it right here. From here, you can remove or edit the reviews, and also you can check the activity. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.